guys, so today we are doing the
Cat scratch. Yan. So basically, ako na una at meron akong maraming scratch. At isa pa nga, pabilog. Siya naman. Okay guys, 3, 2, 1.
There once you are walking through a dark valley at night. Yung isa mong kamay ba? You are the only one there. The ground is slick with rain. The alley is filled with garbage cans and litter. But then you hear something, a movement in the garbage cans. You pick up the pace. You want to get out of the alley fast. But then you see something. Red glowing. Red eyes. Glowing red cat eyes. There are the eyes of an enormous cat. You run, but the cat chases you and jumps on you. It scratches you.